This is Gary Davidson, and I head the real estate practice group at Castle Law. Professional inspections in a contract. Now, again, in general, we're going to be talking about the multi-board 7.0 in Illinois. Every contract's different, so you're going to want to review the specific details of your contract. But in Illinois, with the 7.0 multi-board contract, a buyer has the right to conduct a home inspection within 5 business days that the contract was accepted by the seller. During that home inspection, you can conduct any professional home inspection you want. That would be termite, radon, have a roof inspector come out, have an electrical inspector come out, and most people simply use a licensed Illinois home inspector, which commonly you could refer to as a jack of all trade, master of none. That home inspector will be conducting a home inspection on the entire property. And typically, a home inspection report will be between 10 and 30 pages long. It's going to cover everything. It's going to say that the light switch cover is loose. It's going to say that the toilet seat is loose. It may say that they recommend changing the furnace filters. But understand, under the contract, only the major components of the property are considered in terms of when you're making requests to a seller, excuse me. So that's going to be things like foundation, roof, electric, plumbing. Minor repairs, routine maintenance items are specifically excluded within the terms of this contract. Now, I hear oftentimes realtors and attorneys and other paraprofessionals in the transaction say, "Hey, go ahead and ask the seller for everything, or go ahead and make all of your requests. It doesn't hurt." Well, just know that in bold on this contract, it says a request by buyer for repairs or credits in the violation of the terms of this paragraph gives the seller a right to automatically terminate the contract. And the contract specifically says minor repairs, routine maintenance are not included. So if you have to think about it, when you're making a home inspection request, if you were going to ask for 10 things and you said, I want the roof repaired, I want this electrical problem fixed, and then I want the furnace filters changed. What is the seller going to do? They're going to pick the few items that are most easiest, and then when they agree to fix those easy items, you're going to be in a position to say, well, really, I wanted those other major items. So what I encourage is you to pinpoint, stay within the terms of that contract, and only ask for those major components. For sellers, we need to be aware that buyers can make these requests. And we shouldn't have any indication of the fact that the buyer's being overly picky. They've hired a professional, they've gotten a report, and they're making these requests. Ultimately, both the buyer and seller should be wanting to close on the transaction. So we at Castle Law have about a 98% close rate for our clients. And we're going to assist you in making the right decisions to get you from contract to closing quickly and advise you on what you should and shouldn't be doing.